Hello, how are you? It is Rhonda of Rhonda Said, and my eyebrows are large and in charge today. I hope that you enjoy my eyebrows as well as the content in this video. I'll be doing a look with the Odin's Eye Giant Wolves palette, which was a collab with Annette of Everyone Knows Annette. You know, good old Annette. And it is a gorgeous palette. And I'm going to do something that kind of goes with my top and my hair today. And we're going to see how that looks. And then I'm going to just tell you some things. What am I going to tell you? Things. Why? Because I like to talk. I like to talk a lot. A lot. I do. So anyway, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. You guys are absolutely the best, and I'm always grateful to hear from you in the comments. You know, let me know that you're here and you're fabulous. Let's get to it. There's not like a good neutral color to start with in this palette. So I'm going to start with a shimmer, which is called Haiti or Hatai, H-A-T-I, Hatai. Maybe I should use a different brush. There we go. Actually, it's not really wanting to pick up. Let me scrub it in there. There we go. Much better. And it is a beautiful shimmer, and it's going on really pretty and light. And it is kind of a light lavender color. It looks much darker in the pan. And like I said, I want to do something pretty that goes with my hair and my eyes today and my shirt. And that's just a beautiful soft wash of lavender, which is much darker. You know, it looks like it would come out a lot darker in person, but at last it does not. So we're just putting it on. And last we spoke, when I was doing my makeup, I was getting ready for Derby Day, and Derby Day has come and gone, and our horses that we bet on did not win because there was a long shot that was 80-1 and came out of nowhere and totally won the whole shebang, which is very fun and very cool. It really shakes up those fancy schmancy horse owners with the $1 million horses to see that, you know, even because the horse that won only cost like $30,000, and some of those horses are like literally hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's just so cool that that horse is able to come out of nowhere. Louie! That crazy cat. He doesn't listen to me. He's trying to get, I've got like one of those cubes that's got the little, where you can put the little fabric drawers in, and he's scratching at that. And he does not listen. He used to climb up on my chair a lot. He hasn't done that in a while. I'm gonna go in with Ablaze, this really beautiful purple. Shows up nice on the brush. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. It looks great with what's already there. It's super pigmented. That matte is just not playing. It looks like crazy town on my eyes. But as you guys know, I'm usually able to pull stuff off, even when it looks like crazy town. I'm usually pull off some kind of cute looking look. I'm gonna go in with my finger and go into Astral. Every time I move my chair, it makes a clunky noise. And it drives me crazy. That looks amazing. And then it goes on pretty chunky. But it's showing up, and that's what I want it to do. It's doing exactly what a white shimmery shadow to do. That looks really dynamic. And let's go into the crease, to the corner with a darker color to kind of give some depth to the eye. I'm going to go into this Cosmos color, which is a deep blue. Oh my God, it picked up so well. I don't want it to go too heavy, but it looks great. Oh my God, it went crazy. Well, there's definitely some depth there. Even blowing it off, I didn't stand a chance. Let's get my blending brush out here, which is a good old Luxie brush. It's called something. I can't read it. It's all small print. I'm not pulling out my glasses. But I can just blend this out. And that looks so much nicer. Blend this in a little. Oh, that looks really cool. I'll do the same over here. And that looks really pretty. I told you I could pull it off. But yeah, we bet on 3 horses, like in a box, which means if those 3 horses came in the right way, we could have won like thousands of dollars, but none of our horses won because of that long shot. And in life, isn't it great to bet on the long shots? To bring something out that you didn't expect? I think so. I think in a lot of ways, I'm a long shot. But, you know, I've been through a lot in life and car wrecks that almost killed me and stuff like that, but I'm still here. So who would have thunk it? I'm going to put my liner and mascara on and I'll be right back. And voila, the mascara and liner are on. And this look turned out super pretty and I'm really happy with it. Let's see, for lips, I feel like I need to do something a little mauve-y, a little mojave. Number 15, which is Lover from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And that looks super cute. And I'm really glad that you were here with me today. And we talked a little bit about the horses. And we made a beautiful look with the Giant Wolves palette from Odin's Eye. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon. Bye.